Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card, one of the most popular cashback credit cards in Canada right now. If you've been searching for a no annual fee credit card that actually gives you flexibility, strong cashback rewards, and simple everyday value, then today's video is going to be very interesting to you. We'll talk about what the card is, who it's best for, the major features, the pricing and fees, and also the pros and cons, and finally we'll know whether this card truly deserves all the hype around it. So let's get started. The Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card is designed for people who want a simple cashback credit card without paying an annual fee. But unlike many other basic cashback cards that give you one flat cashback rate on everything, Tangerine does something different. Instead of forcing you into fixed spending categories, this card actually lets you choose the categories where you want to earn higher cashback rewards. That level of customization is one of the biggest reasons why so many Canadians like this card. Now let us talk about the main features of the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card. Customizable 2% cashback categories. Yes, this is the biggest selling point of the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card. You get unlimited 2% cashback in up to 3 categories of your choice with a savings account and 0.5% back on everything else. And the cashback that you get monthly is unlimited. Some of the available categories are groceries, restaurants, gas, entertainment, drug stores, furniture, hotel and motel purchases, recurring bill payments, public transportation and parking, and home improvement purchases. Also, there is no annual fee. That is one of the strongest advantages here for the card. A lot of cashback cards with decent rewards usually charge annual fees, but with Tangerine, you keep all your cashback earnings without worrying about an extra yearly cost eating into your rewards. And the good thing about the cashback categories is that you can change them to match your spending habits every 90 days, which is greatly flexible. Monthly cashback payments. Another thing people love about this card is that the cashback rewards are paid monthly instead of yearly. This may sound small, but it actually makes a big difference psychologically. Instead of waiting an entire year to redeem points, you're seeing rewards come back into your account regularly, and that even gives you the incentive to use the card more and earn more. That instant feedback makes the cashback system feel more rewarding and useful. Next, we'll talk about the welcome bonus. Tangerine frequently runs welcome offers for new card holders. Currently on the website, it says that when you spend $1,500 in your first 3 months, you enjoy this bonus of getting $100. It's the no annual fee credit card with the most cashback categories to choose from. Next, we'll talk about the balance transfer promotion. The card also occasionally includes promotional balance transfer offers. Currently, Tangerine advertises a low introductory balance transfer interest rate for the first 6 statement periods, and this could be useful for someone trying to consolidate higher interest debts from another credit card. But of course, balance transfer should always be approached carefully and strategically. Then there's the interesting offer that you can get up to 80 cents per litre in value at participating Shell stations Canada-wide. This is an interesting offer. The Tangerine Money-Back World Mastercard helps you go where you need to go with extra savings on fuel. Now let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, there is no annual fee, but there are other things you need to know. The purchase interest rate is 20.95% and the cash advance interest rate is 22.95%. Now what are the pros and cons of using the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card? First, the pros. It has excellent cashback flexibility, no annual fee, it is great for everyday spending, and it is beginner friendly. How about the cons? It has low base cashback rates and there are limited travel benefits for it. The approval sometimes can be strict. And in many cases, to benefit from the perks, there are terms and conditions that you need to meet to apply. So now, here's the big question. Is the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card actually one of the best no-fee cashback credit cards in Canada? Honestly, for many people, the answer is yes. And the biggest reason is flexibility. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. If you want premium travel perks, luxury benefits, or high flat rate cashback everywhere, there are stronger options that are available. But for regular everyday users who simply want a smart, easy to use cashback card without paying annual fees, the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card absolutely delivers strong value. And that's it on the review of the Tangerine Money-Back Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Simply Financial Cashback Visa Card, Rogers Redwood Elite MasterCard, and BMO Cashback MasterCard. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.